Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Saturday. Today is May the 30th. Okay, tomorrow's the 31st, and the 1st is Monday. So we are in Atlanta. We just came from a consultation in Atlanta, and she booked for next Saturday. Huge screen recoat, UV cure, granite countertops, and what I did too, have the Christian and them go move her furniture Saturday morning. Now we're out here in a commercial setting. This is Miss Allison. She reached out to me last week. I never came out and looked at it. She sent me pictures and videos, and this is a concrete floor cleaning. We're gonna coat one side, seal one side, but we're not gonna seal the other side. Now guys, before, when you see this, remember, she said, Courtney, this is gonna be a gallery. We are not looking for perfection. We just want it cleaned and coated, and that's what we're doing. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so we are in the heart of Atlanta. This is the old Mechanicsville area, if you know Atlanta, right off of Fair Street. So, and then after this, I got another consultation in Atlanta, which is in the Emmons Park area, and it's about 20 minutes from here. And then we got one more consultation for a screen or recoat. They're moving in, and that job is in Beaufort. So let me show you what we're going to be doing today. So Miss Allison is moving some stuff down here. So we got this concrete floor on this side, which I'm going to show you guys. Then we got these engineered floors. And again, guys, they are not looking for perfection. They just want them cleaned and coated, okay? She said, Courtney, about time we put down rugs and furniture, a lot of this stuff won't be noticeable. So like this stuff right here, guys, a lot of this stuff, these, the damage to the boards, those look like heel marks. That's what they look like, heel marks and just drag marks. Will still be there, okay? So just want to make that clear. Because one thing about me, guys, I do not like buyer's remorse, and one thing about me, I'm not desperate for business, okay? I'm not desperate for money, and this is why I make sure I go over these things with my clients. So you see this guy got some type of old paint on it, see here, and they know that it's still going to look like this. So all I'm doing is a dry screening, okay, using some very aggressive mesh, and you can see, and basically what we're going to do is just dry screen it, which is really going to clean the floor up, knock the dirt off, and then we're going to vacuum it, and then we're going to put a seal down on this side. But the other side, let me show you guys where we are. It is so beautiful to see the way Atlanta is growing. And then this is the other side right here that we're also going to be doing. Now this side too, I'm also just going to dry screen it, vacuum it. But she said, Courtney, don't seal this side because this is going to be like more like storage. And that's what we're doing, guys. So go ahead and get started. Well, I'm already started and show my client what to expect. All right, guys. Stay tuned.
Truman. Who got the floors looking pretty? Truman. One day Recoat. Yeah. Countertops shining. Yeah. We put it on for the city. Woo. We put it on for the city. Hey. Hardwood floors looking dull and gray. Truman pull up and say today. Buff it up and let it shine. Now it look brand new every time. Yeah. Concrete floors, he got that. Countertops, he got that. Need some shine, he got that. Need it fast, he got that. Truman. Who putting on for the city? Truman. Who making homes look pretty? Truman. One day Recoat, yeah. Countertops shining, yeah. We put it on for the city. From Atlanta all around the state. Hey. People smiling when they see the change. Hey. Shiny floors and countertops too. Hey. Looking better than they ever knew. Yeah. Good work every day. Big shine every day. Happy homes every day. Truman every day. Truman. Who putting on for the city? Truman.
that is going to do it. Look at these floors now. Again, this was nothing major. This was just cleaning the floor and sealing the floor, and that's what we did. But you can see a great difference, and that's all they wanted. So again, guys, I'm very transparent. I'm very realistic when it comes to my work and also with my clients. So even though she sent me pictures and told me what they wanted, I still went over with them before we got started. She said, yes, Courtney, we understand. We just want it cleaned and sealed, and that's what we did, and that looks great. Also, let's go look up here. Okay. Just got another quote that I also didn't do a consultation. They sent me pictures. They might either do it this Tuesday coming up, which is my only appointment I have available for next week, or the following Tuesday. They just bought a house here in Atlanta, 1,300 square feet, screen and recoat with UV curing. All right. This floor looks a whole lot better. And then over here, which was just cleaned. They didn't want this side sealed, but if they decide to, we'll always come back and do it for them. I mean, it'll probably take me 20, 30 minutes, but we did clean this one. This side right here. I think she said they're just gonna use this for storage. And while I was coating the other side, I had Tavares clean this, and you can see a huge difference over here. I really think it would look good if they coated this. So if they decide to, we'll come back and do it for them. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. Going to head to a consultation that's about 20 minutes from here in the Emmon Park area. And then after that, we got one more consultation back in Gwinnett. All right, guys, see you on Monday. Thanks for watching.